Hello friends, today we will deal with this equation x raised to the power 4 plus 8x is equal to 7 and we will solve for x. So first of all, I will write this equation as x raised to the power 4 plus 8x minus 7 and it will be equal to 0. Okay, so further what will I do here? I will add and subtract 2x square here. And also add and subtract 1 and this plus 8x and negative 7 will remain same. Why I will add and subtract this 2x square and this 1? Because when I will rearrange this equation as x raised to the power 4 plus 2x square plus 1, it will give us a perfect square. And also combine with this negative 2x square plus 8x and negative 1 and negative 7 will become negative 8 and it will be equal to 0. Now you can see that it can be written as x square and its square plus 2x square plus 1. From here I have 2 is common, negative 2 is common, so it will become x square negative 4x plus 4 and it will be equal to 0. Okay, so you can see that it will be x square plus 1 whole square minus 2 times. Here we have x square minus 4x plus 4. So it is same as x minus 2 whole square. Because here x square negative 2 times 2 of x plus here 2 square. And it will be equal to 0. Okay, now in this step you can see that here we have this term square and this term square and negative sign between these two terms. So if I will take here this 2 as in the form of a square, so it will be an identity a square minus b square. So how can I write it as x square plus 1 whole square minus square root of 2 times x minus 2 and its whole square. Because square root of square is same as 2 and it will be equal to 0. Now it is the form of a square minus b square which will be equal to a plus b, a minus b. So it can be written as x square plus 1 plus square root of 2 times x minus 2. A minus b means x square plus 1 minus square root of 2 times x minus 2. And it will be equal to 0. Now it can also be written as x square plus 1 plus square root of 2 times x minus 2 times square root of 2. And it will be x square plus 1 minus square root of 2 times x plus 2 square root of 2. And it will be equal to 0. Now you can see that it is the form of a quadratic equation because here we have x square, here we have x and this plus 1 and negative 2 square root of 2 is our constant. So rearrange this equation as x square plus square root of 2 times x plus 1 negative 2 square root of 2 and it will be x square minus square root of 2 times x plus 1 plus 2 square root of 2. And it will be equal to 0. Okay, now here we have two factors which are equal to 0. So x square plus square root of 2 times x plus 1 minus 2 square root of 2 will be equal to 0. And also x square minus square root of 2x plus 1 plus 2 square root of 2 is equal to 0. Now both are quadratic equations. So before applying here quadratic formula, I will take discriminant of both equations. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So b square will be square root of 2 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 1 minus 2 square root of 2. So it will be 2. It will become negative 4 and it will be plus 8 square root of 2. and it can also be written as negative 2 plus 8 times square root of 2. So its discriminant is negative 2 plus 8 square root of 2. Now we will take discriminant of this equation. So b square means 2 minus 4 times 1 plus 2 square root of 2, because a is 1. So it will be 2 minus 4 minus 8 square root of 2. And it will be equal to minus 2 minus 8 square root of 2. Now you can see that it is less than 0. That's mean it has no real solution. So we will deal with this equation. So from here the values of x will be x1 and 2. Negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So negative b means negative square root of 2 plus minus b square minus 4ac is negative 2 plus 8 square root of 2 and its square root. Divided by 2 times 1 will be 2. So from here it will become negative square root of 2 plus minus, I will take 2 is common from here, so it will become negative 1 plus 4 square root of 2 and its square root divided by 2. Now I will take this square root of 2 separately, because we know that square root of a times b can be written as square root of a square root of b. So I will write it as negative square root of 2 plus minus square root of 2 and square root of negative 1 plus 4 square root of 2 divided by, this 2 can be written as square root of 2 times square root of 2. Okay, so in both terms we have square root of 2 is common. So when we'll take square root of 2 is common, then this square root of 2 and this square root of 2 will be cancelled out and it will become negative 1 plus minus square root of 4 square root of 2 minus 1 divided by square root of 2. So these are the two values of x. We will also write it as x1 is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 4 square root of 2 minus 1. And x2 is negative 1 minus square root of 4 square root of 2 minus 1. So these are the values of x for this problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, do comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.